Hey guys, this is Brad over here at Chattanooga Fishing Fun. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to program your key fob to your RV lock here. Also, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to program your own code into the RV lock. Alright, first things first, this guy right here needs to be switched to the on position. And then there you can see fob learn. It's upside down, but all you got to do is hit that, get a short beep. And then, whoops, I'm going to hit the lock button. It's going to give you a long tone like that. And then if I hit unlock, it's unlocked and locked. Unlocked. Easy enough. Okay, so that kind of shows you how to link your key fob to the keyless entry on the RVLock system. Literally all I needed was a paper clip to hit that fob learn button, and then about 5 seconds of time. That's it. So now I'm going to show you how to pair your own code to the RV lock. Okay, so now to program a new code into this RV lock here. The original code is 1234. That's the way it came from the factory. So you do have to know the previous code to create a new one. But to start out, you have to hit the 8 and the lock button at the same time. You wait for a long beep, and that lets you know it's ready to go. So then you hit 1, 2, 3, 4 lock, since that's my previous code. If you have another one, then you'll have to type that in and then hit the lock button. But mine's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8 lock, 2, 4, 6, 8 lock, and then I'll get to test it and try it out. All right, so let's give her a try here. 8. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 lock. 2, 4, 6, 8 lock. 2, 4, 6, 8 lock. All right, let's try it out now. All righty. All right, so it's locked. Now let's try it again. 2, 4, 6, 8, unlock. And there you have it.